Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1987 Buick Regal Limited. These cars came loaded. Power locks, windows, mirrors, air conditioning, FM cassette, remote mirror. Helping the state sell this car. We own this car since 2012, as far as I can tell by the receipts and stuff. Comes with a slew of original parts too. We cherish this car. Absolutely loved it. It's not perfect, but runs really nice. These G bodies run forever. That's probably why he owned it. You know, tilt wheel, cruise, everything. Radio still works. Power antenna still works. New vinyl roof. I also had it painted recently. Nice straight body. All the fillers are in great shape. Nice bumpers. Trunk sticking up a little there. I'm not sure exactly why. It's got an alarm on it with keyless entry. Power seat. We also have new sills for it. Come with it. Lower body cladding. That's also included. I just found in the glove box these little guys. I threw those on. Let's see. These are so comfortable, these cars. Nice headliner. Normally they sag. This one's doing great. Bet you had it replaced. See this visor right here? They kind of do that. Nice plush carpet. Looks original. $101,060 miles. In '86, these were carbureted. See, the antenna still works. Common problem. Power locks, windows, remote mirror, tilt wheel. Nice dash. Original owner's manuals. Tell he worked on the AC too, because that blows nice and cold. Like a new radiator, air cleaner. You can hear the AC kind of circulating there, so it's working great. The underhood light works. Even has a remote trunk. Trunk's nice and solid. I also found a new one of these. Spare tires back here. Again, nice and solid. Runs great. Not gonna ask $1 million for this car. Until you see his Monte Carlo though. 8,000 miles. Pretty cool. Let's run you around the block real quick. This was his baby. One of his sons said that he even rebuilt the transmission. Runs great, nice and straight. with a 5-liter carbureted. Really runs nice. Brakes feel good. Wait till you see the parts. I'm just gonna loop that video right in at the end here. Well guys, give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out a ton of photos I took today on the website. It's weebyautos.com.